Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, as you must have read the title, I'm gonna review boxers, or should I say shorts, from a company called as Be Young. So guys, the company, I came across this company through an app called Stepset Go. So if you would have watched my previous video, I have spoken about Stepset Go. So guys, they have not sponsored me, or they are not paying anything to advertise them in every video or something. But I personally like the app, I personally like the concept, and that is why I am talking about that app in this video. So if you download the Stepset Go, and whenever you walk, you get coins for walking, and they have their own bazaar from which you can buy deals and also free products. So I got this deal from Stepset Go, in which I had to spend just 49 rupees, and I would get 2 boxers, or I could get 2 t-shirts, or I could get 1 boxer and 1 t-shirt from a brand called Be Young. So that's what I did. I bought 2 boxers, one for my brother and one for me, just for rupees 500. Believe me guys, just for rupees 500. So I have given the code below. So if you want, you can use my code and sign up for the Stepset Go and get amazing offers from there. Okay, so now without wasting time, let's get into the video and see what I have got and what I think about that product. So basically, when I got the product, it was in a normal plastic wrapping, like you get for an Amazon or Flipkart, the kind of material of packet, the same way. But actually I just threw it away because of Corona and everything. So so that's the thing, I don't have it now to show it to you guys. But the biggest disappointment that I got was that they did not have any packing into it, like the bigger packet, outer packet, and then inside that the shorts. These are the 2 shorts that I got. So these 2 shorts were just wrapped up and kept inside the packet. It means they did not have any other plastic packing, which was kind of a disappointment, because I would like it into a plastic bag or something, because you just can't keep clothes that way without any outer covering. So that was a big disappointment from my side. But otherwise, these are the 2 shorts that I got, one for me and the other one for my brother. Now let me show you what it looks like. This is what the shorts look like, and they are stretchable. They have a very good stretchable. It's very nice, and here they have a logo. And when we talk about the material is really soft. Yes guys, the material is really nice. If I leave aside the thing about the packaging, then the material is really nice. It's very comfortable, and since it's stretchable, you will fit into it very easily. And it's very comfortable, and it even looks good if you wear it outside. So they have many colors in this. They have light pink, light blue, light yellow. Now the maroon and olive is what I got. They have black and blues. The colors that they have are amazing, no doubt. Just the thing is that and actually it's kind of unisex. I realized that my brother's shorts or boxers, whatever you call, they are kind of actually same. But yeah, they have a different section for both women and men. And the best part is they have pockets. So basically there are like 2 pockets on the side, and the pockets are really big. And they have one more pocket at the back. You will see there is another pocket at the back, and the pockets are really big. So you can keep your phones easily. You can wear it at home, you can wear it outside. It looks amazing. Just the problem with this was definitely packaging was a problem, and the second problem is that on the logo they have even mention the size, which is a bit weird, because now if in case you're wearing a crop top on the shorts, it will look very weird because they have a logo, and on the logo itself they have written the size, which is, I don't know, I mean, I don't like that fact. But otherwise, if I talk about the overall quality, it's amazing, and I think that you should definitely give it a try. I have not tried their t-shirts, but I assume it would be of a good quality as well. This is of cotton material and definitely very good, I mean, during summer, and even if you can wear it outside and at home, definitely. And now that we are living in our houses like most of the time, I feel this is something very good you should invest in. Yeah, so guys, that's all for today. I'll link down my coupon code for signing into the Steps at Go account. And at the same time, guys, I would like to tell you that if you are interested in economics, and if you are wanted to know more about economics, because guys, it doesn't matter which background you are from, but economy is what is going to affect all of us. So if you want to stay updated with the latest economic happenings in the economy and much more, then don't forget to subscribe to my another channel, which is called the Economics Made Simple. I'll link down that below. So don't forget to subscribe to that channel as well. So thanks guys for watching this video, and stay tuned for more videos. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this.